Your gift will make room for you. There's room for you. The people are waiting on you. So when I show up to these events and I'm late, I'm behind, there's still a spot for you. This is what I'm trying to tell you. There's still a spot for you. It is not too late. I don't know how old you are. I don't know how young you are. It is not. It's your time. If you know deep down inside, God is telling you, this is what I want you to do. Go forth and do it. Because I promise you, everything that this man, everything that he promises us, he is not a God that he should lie. You'll never feel a peace. You don't want to die with your gifts. My God, you could trust God. The people are waiting on you. The doors, the destiny helpers, the destiny connectors, they're waiting on you to produce whatever it is that God told you to produce. The show doesn't, that's what he said. Thank you, Holy Spirit. The show will never start without you.